Hey everyone, this is just going to be a really quick video. It's a little after 10, Draven is still awake, he's about to go to bed shortly. Woke up late from his nap, so they're exactly ready to go to bed yet, but he will be soon. I did take a really cute video of him tonight, but I took it with my real camera of him counting, singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, singing the Dora song, and singing his ABCs. So it's a really cute video. But I can't seem to get on the computer right now because James is playing his video games. So I figured I'd do just this really quick video to say I did a video for the 21st of August, dated 8/21. But I'll definitely have more videos to come, better ones, better quality. It's just that things have been so crazy busy. I haven't really been able to get on the computer, and I'm not familiar with the editing software. I don't know if I've said that before. And James has to kind of run through the editing software with me again so I can put up the day in the life video. So there's that. Oh boy. Tomorrow morning is Draven's preschool daycare orientation day at 10 in the morning, so 12 hours from now. Yeah, you want to come here and get in the video?
Yeah.
Alright, then come over here.
So,
come here. I'm wearing my Twilight Eclipse shirt. Yes, I'm a Twilight person. Although, I don't know where the heck my Breaking Dawn movie went, and that's starting to bug me. Actually, no, it's right there. What am I? Alright, I'm blind because it's right next to my TV. It's been sitting there forever, and for some reason I forgot that it was my Breaking Dawn video. Can you stop? My legs are not bridges. Oh, boy. So, I am doing laundry, getting stuff ready for tomorrow, for orientation. I had my feet on the coffee table, and he just, barreled over my feet, knocked my feet down, and my feet scraped against the edge corner of the coffee table. Did not feel good at all. But, yeah, so maybe I'll get some video and pictures of orientation tomorrow. I probably won't be able to get any actual video in orientation, obviously. There's probably going to be other children there, other parents there, and I don't want to offend anybody. But, so, getting ready for that tomorrow. Pick up my mom. My mom's going because she's an emergency contact and better sign. And since she lives much closer than I do to the center, she's going to be there so she can, get the gist. Okay, Draven, you're loud. But, yeah, no, my mom, with this center, it's also run by her work. She's a CNA at this geriatric facility. I mean, it's got a lot of it's got, like, outside houses and apartments for residents that are living there. Some that need help, some that don't, that just want to live in there because it's a really nice community. And then there's different sections in the building that can be run almost like a hospital, but for the elderly, including some therapy. People sometimes come in for physical therapy, just for, a week or whatever. They get their therapy and then they leave. But, so my mom's a certified nurse assistant. She works with everyone from, the needing lots of help and lots of care to baths, to changes, to all that stuff, to the people who only need a little bit of help. But it's her company, or her facility, also runs this daycare. And it's a intergenerational daycare. So, people, the residents from the community or center or whatever, come in and teach the kids. We have retired teachers and all that type of stuff that come in and, hang out with the kids and whatnot to help them learn. So it's really nice. And my mom, because she gets a discount, is actually paying for it. which is even nicer, so I can, you know, get a actual job. Because I know all I'm doing is Avon, and James works full time. And although, you know, we're not like super swamped with bills and whatnot, it always can help to have extra money coming in. So, and plus I'm getting a little stir crazy staying at home all day. I want to do something, so I want to try to get a job.
It's in the bathroom.
Yeah, you were in the bathroom?
It's yucky.
Why is it yucky in the bathroom? What'd you do?
Yucky. It's
Okay, I have to go out and find out what he did in the
It's on
bathroom.
the ladder.
Water?
It's on the ladder.
On a ladder? I'm scared. I'll talk to you guys later. This actually ended up being longer than I expected. Right, bye.